Spend some time thinking about how to set up your plate. Add 30 microliters of the calibrators and your samples to the plate. Then, add 120 microliters of bead suspension working solution to each well. Incubate at room temperature for 2 hours with shaking speed around 400 to 600 RPM.
After 2 hours, unseal the plate. Prepare detection antibody working solution first. Transfer 4.2 milliliters of the 1X assay buffer into a new microcentrifuge tube. Add 200 microliters of the reconstituted detection antibody into the same tube. Mix gently. Then, the detection antibody working solution is ready for use.
Place the 96-well V-bottom plate onto the magnetic separation rack for 2 minutes. Aspirate the supernatant with a pipette. Don't forget to change the tips before moving on to the next column. For bead washing, add 200 microliters of the 1X wash buffer into each well. Place the 96-well V-bottom plate back onto the magnetic separation rack for 2 minutes. Then discard the supernatant by pipetting.
Based on the manual, the next step is to add 100 microliters of detection antibody working solution into each well. Seal the plate with the provided sealing film. Incubate at room temperature for 60 minutes with shaking speed around 400 to 600 RPM.
Finally, add 150 microliters of the 1X wash buffer to each well. Ensure the beads are well separated and not aggregated. Put the plate in the flow cytometer, ready for data analysis. Since we are using the 96-well V-bottom plate, select the plate loader from the sample injection mode. Specify where your calibrators and controls are placed. Here, the name of the sample is APC, the special feature of the disc type machine. Since the APC control is placed at the back of the 96-well plate, the number of seconds I choose here is 2 in order to avoid sample precipitation. Then just press OK. Set the position of PE positive control sample on calibrators in the same way. Set dot plot and tell the software what kind of graph I want. The second graph is a comparison between the fluorescence of 2 colors. I change the x-axis to R660-A,
the y-axis to Y585-A.
After that, I will look at the dot plot of individual fluorescence. And you need